This is gonna be a really fun day today. Let's see what Biggie has to say. Let's mix all the colors. Biggie! Well, let's get to pouring a ton of nail polish colors all together. It's gonna be so amazing. Oh, just look at that. Especially with all the glitter. I wonder what this is gonna look like whenever it's done. It's going to be magical. Okay. I have so many bottles of polish. It's gonna be a work of art. It's majestical like a unicorn. Ooh, this is the magnetic stuff. Huh. I'm curious to see if anything will happen. Ooh, it did. Look. It's so magical. And after, I'm gonna swirl it and make a beautiful masterpiece. There's the ball that's inside the polish. Oh dear. Well, that's interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay. Ooh, this, you cannot tell from the outside, but inside, it's so magical. Ooh, this one is fun and bright. Oh, you know what? This actually is for puppies. I bought it for my puppy, but it didn't work out too well. She did not like it, and it went everywhere. Puppy polish. Gotta love the puppies of the world. Say, I love the puppies, you love the puppies, we all love the puppies. Comment down below if you love the puppies too. Puppies are my favorite thing in the whole world. They make me smile. Ooh, this looks so pretty. Wow, this actually has a lot of polish in it. Ooh. Okay. Let's see what we have next. How about let's do, ooh, we have a lot of pink going on. Let's add some blue. Whoa, ooh, this color comes out in multiple shades of blue. Ooh, it's so beautiful. Let's look at our design so far. Ooh, it's looking so pretty. Okay, let's add some of this vibrant pink. Ooh. Ooh, it's like pink and red. So magical. Okay, let's see what we have next. Ooh, silver glitter. I think, let's see this one, see if it works. Okay, here we go, here we go. Gotta love the glitter. I love glitter. You love glitter. The elves, I think, love the glitter too. Okay, what do we have next? Ooh, silver. Love the silvers. I hope Biggie likes this. Do you think Biggie's gonna like it? I hope that he loves it. Oh, it's just looking so magical. Okay. Now let's see. You know what? Let's add some more of this blue glitter that we already put in because I think this is the coolest one of all of the colors. Look at it, it's just like so magical. Okay. Let's see what else. Let's add some of this shiny pink. Soon we're going to swirl it with the toothpick that Biggie brought us. Ooh, let's add some funky yellow. This looks like fun times. Okay. What else should we add? Some more silver. Silver. You gotta love the silvers of the world. You gotta love the puppies. There's so many puppies. Guess how many puppies are in the world? I don't know. I was just hoping maybe you might know. Okay. Now we are ready to swirl. Well, I hope Biggie loves this. I think it's a masterpiece and a work of art. Let's give a big thanks to Biggie down below in the comment section for this amazing idea. And if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I love my elves on the shelf.